Becky Buttons with buttonmakers.net, and we're here today with our adventures in Workschooling. Again, I'm Becky Buttons and you are?
Penny Pins. And this is Kitty Buttons by Neighbor Nora for short.
Neighbor Nora.
Yeah.
Nora's here with us too because parents are all out of options. So at buttonmakers.net, we carry everything that you need to make your own buttons at home, and we also have a full service custom shop. And I've got my daughter and neighbor Nora here with me at work for what we're calling Workschooling. Yes.
And there's the candy stack on the candy wrapper.
Yeah, there's lots of candy happening for this video. Today what we're going to do is make some 1 1/4 inch zipper pulls, and we're going to actually make name tags for each one of their little stuffies. Do you girls want to introduce your stuffies?
So this is Meow Meow Fart.
Meow Meow Fart.
This is Big Panda.
Big Panda.
And this is Cotton Candy, but Candy for short.
Okay.
Candy!
Alright, so let's go ahead and get started.
Oh, and this is Lovey Bear, and this is Sparkles. It's Sparkles for short, but Princess Sparkle Fart.
Princess Sparkle Fart. Amazing. We're going to go ahead and get started drawing
More than one fart.
some name tags for all of our stuffies today.
Princess Sparkle Fart.
How do you draw Princess Sparkle Fart?
I do a princess, then a sparkle, then farts.
Which one's the fart?
That.
Wow. That's a rather geometric looking fart.
That one's a fart. Sorry.
I see it. Yeah, that's the green one.
That
Yeah.
looks like a fart.
How do you think you spell the word fart?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you think it starts with?
Fart?
Yeah. What letter makes a f sound?
Ah.
That's right. That's right. You want to draw an F?
No.
Okay. How many total name tags do we need so that everybody gets one? If we have 5 stuffies.
I want to make 2 for my cat and 1 for my panda.
Okay, so if we have 5 total stuffies and you need to make 2 for one of them, how many do we need to make?
We need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You want to make 9?
There is pages under.
9, all right. So then more than one stuffy will get more than one name tag. Is that right? If we have 9?
Actually, I want my panda to have 2 and my kitty to have 2.
Okay, if your panda needs 2 and your kitty needs 2, how many total name tags do you need to make?
4.
Right, that's right. That's exactly right. We're just gonna cut these out.
Are we making this into a button?
Yeah, well actually what we're making today is zipper pulls. And
I know that.
yeah, so that's the thing that actually attaches to a zipper. But instead of putting it on a zipper, what we're gonna do is put it on collars on our stuffies so that we can identify them. So they're like name tags for the stuffies.
Put any collar on my stuffies.
Yeah, I brought some ribbon so I can make it into to collars for your guys. Okay, this is our ProMaker 1 1/4 inch button making machine. And Penny, some of these supplies should look a little familiar to you. But what
Let's get the chalet.
the pieces that for this particular project include shells, palettes.
Does the smooth part go in first?
Yes, Versabacks and Mylar, as well as zipper pulls. Okay.
Wait, where's my candy one? I mean 4.
Where's your candy one? Did you lose your graphics?
How do I? No. There's 2 right here.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't cut that strip out. Where's your scissors? I got it.
Oh, they're right there.
I'll handle it. All right, so now.
Do I have to rotate it around?
Yes. Great. And then you put in this part, goes in sharp side up into die B. Okay. Do you remember the rest of how to do this?
We lift this up, grab,
All the way down. You can do it. You can do it. Yay! All right. Lift the handle up.
It's still having grab.
Rotate around. Yeah, it grabs it all and goes up in there. And there you go.
Drop. Drop.
Okay, that's good. Lift the handle up.
Mine's so cute.
And button reveal.
It dropped it. Look, it dropped it.
Okay, now
We added
what we're gonna do.
Pin.
Okay, girls, watch this. So now what we're gonna do is this goes into the back just like this.
Can I do the rest of mine, Mom?
Yeah. And then we will connect the zipper pull like this.
Can I show you how to make a bottle cap?
A bottle cap?
Yeah, I think you put the image in first for the bottle cap.
No, you
I
do
wanna
not
show
do
how
the
to-
image in first. You always put the shell into die A first. So you've got the wrong die up. Okay, now we're gonna connect the zipper pull to the stuffies collar that we made out of ribbon like this. Look at that.
That's the wrong name.
Oh my God, I got the wrong name. I got the wrong name.
That was Love Bear. It's not a bear.
Oh my
It
gosh.
was supposed to be for this one.
Oh, well, let's fix that right away. You want to give Neighbor Nora a chance?
Yes.
All right, Neighbor Nora's turn. All
Want me
right.
to help you, Nora?
Yes, please help her. Okay, that's right. The shell goes into die A, smooth side up. Then your picture goes on top of die A, or on top of the shell.
And then to see it, you need a plastic piece.
All right, and it's got to be all the way down in there. Okay, now rotate this die A all the way around.
Rotate it around. That's B.
Well, let's go ahead and load the machine first. There you go. Now pull it all the way down.
It's picking
All the
it
way.
up.
Give it a good go. Yeah, you got it. Good. All right, lift it up.
I think I can almost. I want to see
Rotate
it.
it around.
I want to see the button all up there.
Yes. So all the stuff went into this die. Okay. So now make sure that this is really underneath here. Okay. So then go ahead and pull that handle down. Okay, you gotta grab it. Stuck on your. Okay. All the way. Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Hope it won't be a button fail.
I don't think it will. I think that one was good. All right. Lift it up. Woo. All right. Button reveal.
Did it
Yay! No, it's perfect.
Oh, okay.
Which stuffy does this go on? Here, let's. Then
It
we'll,
goes on my panda.
okay, so what?
This one also goes on my panda.
Okay, 2 for the panda. All right, so let's.
Right.
Okay, so we're done with our stuffy name tags. Here they all are, and our collars. Do you guys want to tell me anything about these stuffies?
So this is Meow Meow Fart, as you can see. And this is my and this is Big Panda.
Did you have fun?
That there's a candy wrapper on his butt. Hey.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Tune in next time for our adventures in Workschooling.
Bye.
And please visit buttonmakers.net for all of your button-related needs. Bye.
Hey, let me say bye. Let me say bye.